2025. Officers were conducting surveillance with a police drone when a man on the ground aimed a green laser directly at it, forcing the pilot to land. Moments later, officers conducted a traffic stop.
Huh? Yeah, my supervisor's right here. You'd like the supervisor. Please step out of the vehicle, sir.
You can talk to the supervisor outside. Let's go. Step out. Right behind us. Let's step out.
Step out of the vehicle.
Copy.
What's up, man? Play with a laser? Huh?
34.
You got a laser? Where at?
That was 32. Yeah, it's like this.
Go ahead.
King North David, 3959.
What's the deal? Now what?
32.
Huh?
32.
Something in the sky?
31.
Supposed to be shining a laser in the sky at random flying objects?
2481 Rosewood.
Copy. 027.
You running a drone too? Oh, okay. You got your ID on you?
Copy. 027.
You give it to the officer on your side.
No guns or anything I probably need to worry about.
Put your hand on your head for me.
What's that?
Put your other hand on top of your head. I'll explain to you in a second.
Sure, I'm Sergeant Farr. I was the one who was flying the drone. They're being placed under arrest. Okay? It is illegal. You're not allowed to point lasers at aircrafts in the sky.
Okay.
I've got like rubber bands or something that's like preventing my cuff from closing.
You had your own drone. You probably know that, right?
No, I didn't know.
You didn't know that. You have your pilot's license?
I'm not license for a plane.
For a drone.
Oh. I don't think I do. I'm not sure. How you put it on or something? How you get that?
You have to go through the FAA. Yep.
Bring his hand up.
What's the charge?
It is pointing a laser at an aircraft. That's what the charge is. It's a felony of the second degree.
Oh, wow.
Yep, it is. You're also getting charged with obstructing official business for my police duties that I was doing, so you are getting that charge as well, but that's just a misdemeanor. You will be going to the county jail tonight.
Alright. I'm gonna take him back with you so you can search him since... Is this the laser here?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna grab it, but...
You want a bag for it?
Yeah, just, I mean,
Yeah.
just in case.
Hey, sir, when your vehicle is towed, would you like the drone to stay in your trunk, or do you want us to tag it into our property room?
leave it in the trunk.
Okay. He requested a drone be left in the trunk. I got it. You're good.
I talked to Sergeant about it for who's Sergeant again? Who's Sergeant?
I'm one,
right there.
but what's up, man?
Copy.
I talked to him.
What's up, buddy?
One of who I was talking to.
This one?
Talk to you. Yeah.
Yep.
I talk just you for a second.
Yeah, as soon as I get you in the car, I'll talk to you. Do you have a good phone number for the court?
330
Yeah.
608 0039.
0039. Is your address on your ID, your current address? Okay.
Yes, sir. I get started on that.
Can I spread your feet for me? Good there. I got him. Where's the one that goes in here?
Go back, you said?
Spray painted our license plate.
Struck with gold.
Is there anything on you that I would have missed? Alright. Set her back
You're
there.
just gonna have to put that cigarette out. It's unlocked. It's unlocked.
It's unlocked.
Yeah.
He was arrested and charged with interfering with the operation of an aircraft, possession of drugs, Schedule I or II, having weapons while under disability, carrying a concealed weapon, possessing a defaced firearm, possessing criminal tools, operating a gambling house. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.